Welcome back everyone. Today we're taking a detailed look at the all-new 2026 Innova Crysta Motorhome, a vehicle that combines luxury, comfort, and adventure in one powerful package. This motorhome is designed for people who love traveling without giving up the comfort of home. From its bold exterior to its smart interior layout, everything about this vehicle feels premium and practical. Let's start with the exterior design. The 2026 Innova Crysta Motorhome comes in a stunning glossy red color that instantly grabs attention. The body is sleek and aerodynamic, with smooth curves and a strong road presence. The LED headlights, stylish alloy wheels, and tinted windows give it a modern and futuristic look. The high roof design provides extra interior space while still maintaining a sporty appearance. In a showroom setting, the reflections on the paint and glass make it look like a luxury vehicle straight out of a high-end automotive photo shoot. Moving to the side profile, you can see how well balanced the design is. The long body allows for a spacious interior, while the strong door frames and windows add durability and safety. The side mirrors are wide and practical, giving the driver excellent visibility. Every detail, from the door handles to the body lines, feels carefully crafted. Now let's talk about the rear view. The back of the motorhome features stylish LED taillights, a large rear window, and a strong bumper design. There's enough space for storage access, and the overall shape feels solid and secure. Whether parked in a showroom or on the road, the rear design looks premium and reliable. Inside the motorhome, comfort is the main focus. The interior is designed to feel like a small luxury apartment on wheels. There is a cozy small bed with soft bedding and pillows, perfect for resting after a long journey. The bed area is well lit with warm LED lighting, creating a relaxing atmosphere. Overhead storage compartments provide space for luggage and personal items without making the area feel crowded. Opposite the bed is a compact kitchen setup that includes a mini fridge, a small stove, a sink, and storage cabinets. The countertops have a clean, modern finish, and the cabinets are designed for maximum space efficiency. You can easily prepare simple meals, make tea, or store snacks while traveling. Small details like utensils, shelves, and lighting make the kitchen feel realistic and functional. The flooring is soft and comfortable, while the walls feature a clean, modern design with high-quality materials. Large windows allow natural light to enter, making the interior feel bright and open during the day. Now let's move to the driver cabin. The cockpit of the 2026 Innova Crysta Motorhome looks modern and advanced. The steering wheel feels solid, and the digital display shows all important driving information clearly. The dashboard includes climate controls, multimedia options, and navigation features to make long journeys easier and more enjoyable. The driver and passenger seats are comfortable, with detailed stitching and strong support. There are cup holders, storage compartments, and easy-to-reach controls for convenience. The wide windshield gives excellent road visibility, while the side windows allow plenty of light inside the cabin. In terms of performance, this motorhome is built to handle long trips smoothly. The engine provides strong power while maintaining good fuel efficiency. The suspension system ensures a comfortable ride, even on rough roads. Whether you're traveling through highways, mountains, or countryside roads, this motorhome offers stability and control. Safety features are also a big highlight. It's not just a vehicle, it's a moving home that allows you to explore the world without leaving luxury behind. If you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing motorhome and car content. Let us know in the comments what you think about this red 2026 Innova Crysta Motorhome and where you would love to take it on your next adventure.